Hello everyone. Welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. Today we are going to learn about the different parts of a computer and their uses in a simple and easy way. If you are a beginner, student or someone interested in ICT and technology, this video is perfect for you. So, let's get started. Monitor. The monitor is one of the main output devices of a computer. It displays everything we do on the computer screen, such as videos, images, documents, games, and websites. Without a monitor, we cannot see the results of our work. Keyboard. The keyboard is an input device. It is used to type letters, numbers, and commands into the computer. We use the keyboard for writing documents, searching the internet, chatting, and many other tasks. The mouse helps us control the cursor on the screen. We use it to click, open files, drag items, and navigate through applications. A mouse makes computer usage faster and easier. The CPU, also called the brain of the computer, processes all instructions and controls the computer's operations. Inside the system unit, there are important components like the processor, RAM, motherboard, and storage devices. Speakers. Speakers are output devices used to hear sound from the computer. We use speakers for music, movies, online classes, and games. A printer is used to print documents and images onto paper. Printers are commonly used in schools, offices, and homes. A scanner is an input device used to convert paper documents or photos into digital form. It helps store important files inside a computer. Web camera. A webcam captures video while a microphone records sound. These devices are mainly used for online meetings, video calls, online classes, and content creation. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. It connects all the important components together, such as the CPU, RAM, storage devices, and graphics card. Without the motherboard, the computer parts cannot communicate with each other. RAM is temporary memory used by the computer while running programs. More RAM helps the computer work faster and handle multiple tasks smoothly. Hard disks and SSDs are storage devices used to save files, software, photos, videos, and operating systems. SSDs are faster than traditional hard disks. The processor is the brain inside the computer that performs calculation and executes instructions. A faster processor improves overall computer performance. A graphic card is responsible for displaying high quality images, videos, and games. It is especially important for gaming, video editing, and 3D design. Power supply unit. The power supply unit provides electricity to all computer components. It converts electrical power into usable energy for the computer. Cooling fans help keep the computer temperature low. They prevent overheating and protect computer components from damage. USB ports allow us to connect devices such as flash drives, keyboards, mic, printers, and phones to the computer. Network card or Wi-Fi adapter. This component helps the computer connect to the internet through Wi-Fi or network cables. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more ICT and technology videos.